Bojar, what they want, huh? I said, this is different. The Highlander, there can only be one.
As I wield my saber, I walked past opposers, sworn enemies, they couldn't step to me. Head of the swordsman, I've conquered any foe that has raised the blade in threat or harm of my kingdom. You may need the backup, bring them. 3 against 1, my type of odds. I've been challenged to an offset duel. I guess I missed the T because I pity the fool. I guess they never did their homework. I'm a legend with this blade work. Master of the sharpened blades technique. Masterful posture, top tier physique. An unbalanced approach to me is guaranteed to leave you leaked. Think twice before you speak. You learn how to cut from a 14-day DVD. You're too weak.